Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to use this himi gouache for the first time. I got it from a friend and I've never used gouache before, but I've seen many videos about it and I'm really curious on how it works, how it feels, and how vibrant the colors are that everyone is talking about. So let's open it. My name is Eliza and this is Creative with Eliza. It comes with a nice white palette, so let's see how that works later on. And there's even room to put in your brushes. And there are many cups, and let's see if I can get one out to show you the color. Wow, what a vibrant yellow. Let's get out another one. That one is purple and it's so vibrant. I'm really curious what it will look like. Let's open them all. I decided to just leave the selection the way it is, so to not change the cups around and just see what it would look like that. Maybe I'll change it up later. Most of the cups open really easy, but there are a few that went a bit difficult and I even lost a bit of my nail there. So, well, nail polish. But keep in mind that it takes a lot of time and sometimes even a lot of strength. There was one that hardly didn't even open. But in the end, I opened them all and I really love the colors. So now it's time to swatch all these colors, and I cut out a piece of paper that fits exactly in the lid of this paint box. So every time I want to use it, I see how the colors will react, both opaque and watered down. I not only received this set of himi gouache, I also received the metallic neon set. And I am going to try that later on, but first I want to try this one. But with the other set came these 3 brushes, and I want to show them here because these are the ones I am going to use. The brushes are nylon and extremely wide, so I'm really curious how clean they will stay after using them. Now let's swatch and listen to some music, and afterwards I will of course make a painting with this new medium to me. Right after using the yellow, my paintbrush was stained yellow and I didn't get it off at all. With the green as well, the green also stayed really on the brush. The weird thing is that the other colors hardly stained to the brush, they didn't stick to it. It's mostly the yellows and the greens so far. So I hope I can clean the brush out later when I'm done, when I wash them down with water as well. But I think it'll remain like this. After swatching, it's time to make a painting, and to be honest, this is not the first time I'm making a painting with gouache. I tried yesterday and it really was not to my liking. I did not have a plan to paint anything and it was way too intricate for my skill level. So I decided to just start over, go for a simple design and just paint away. The paper buckles quite a lot, so I decided to put clamps on there to keep it. It probably buckles this much because I paint until the edges, and I often don't do that. Sometimes I do, but it really does make a difference. And I chose to just paint the way I do with aquarelle, just to see what would happen. And I'll layer some things in the curtains later on and in the window. So it's going to be a window with looking outside, so not too intricate, just some wallpaper, a window and curtains. When wet, the gouache looks and feels like watercolor, especially when you water it down a lot. But when it dries, it really is matte and it feels it no longer feels smooth, what it will do with watercolor. So that's for me a weird sensation, but I love the way it dries, and it gives it a nice structure. I think it would take colored pencils really well. I haven't tried it yet, maybe in a different painting, but I think it would take colored pencils really well on top of it. Even with a little extra structure on the curtains, I don't think there's enough contrast between the curtains and wallpaper. So I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to use a brighter pink for that, and I'll make little heart shapes on there just by angling my brush twice. Let's add some extra structure to the beams of the window and some stars, and then the painting will be done. If you want to see me paint in the future or unbox things in the future, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything in the future.